Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this first day of July 2026. And the market was pretty hot again today. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and there's a trade taken in the room today by myself and others. And here's how it all went down. While we have plenty of our strong candle indicators with the trend going very, very nicely, we bottom out down here and get a massive strong candle, which is our indicator with the little pyramid pointing upwards to the top of the screen and green, saying go ahead and trade the market in that direction. So we could have taken any of these trades right there. With this one right here was brilliant as well. Any of it would have been good. But we decided to take this one because it's uh, it's when the market hits a bottom, fails, and then you get a strong candle going in the opposite direction. It's a really, really nice signal. And now all we have to do is figure out what targets to set. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 100 and 120 ticks in length. We'll pair that with our ATM. We'll go for our 20s, 50s, and 100s. We'll de-risk the trade after 20s, see if we can get our 50 and 100 tick runners. And here is how it went down in the room today. Now we got a little bit of a push down. We can go over top the candle, or we can go right on the bottom. I think we entered over top of this particular candle. And let's see how we go. So when we get picked up, the first thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs, which is wait. Oh, we got our first target out before we could even do that. So let's see how we worn out now. This is regular speed, so I can put this up a little bit, and we won't take so long to get there. And haven't gotten to the 100 tick target yet. Sometimes that can take a while. I don't think I had to put another order on it. I don't remember that. Maybe I did. Again, this is 4 times the market speed. Boom. There we go. We're out. That trade took 2.5 minutes to complete and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in 2.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We have all kinds of education and LTRs to fit your time schedule. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.